Welcome back. You're watching First Up, and let's get you all the latest updates on the Karnataka hijab controversy. The Karnataka High Court will be stepping in this matter today, with the students filing a plea saying, let us wear hijab in our educational institutions. Amid that, India Today has accessed pictures from the same educational institution in Udupi last year, where none of the students were seen wearing scarves or hijabs. That's why the government is posing questions as to exactly why this entire controversy has come up now.
Karnataka is on the edge. From Udupi to Belagavi to Shivamoga, hijab versus saffron shawl fight continues to simmer. As the hijab heat rises, India Today has accessed past images from an Udupi school where students are insisting on wearing hijab. These photos were clicked at an oath-taking ceremony during the Kannada Rajyotsava. No headgear, scarf or hijab are seen here. India Today also accessed a photo of students in a classroom following uniform dress code. The images were clicked during different occasions and celebrations. There are also batch photographs of the year 2009 and 10 where all students are seen following the dress code. 6 students were stopped from entering their schools in Udupi recently for wearing hijab. These students had earlier agreed to stick to the prescribed uniform on all days. The students who want to wear hijab had also signed the agreement. Speaking to India Today, Karnataka Education Minister B.C. Nagesh has alleged that students are being instigated.
6 students decided to come to the school with a scarf on their head, which was not the part of the uniform. The same girls were following the uniform prescribed by the schools since 1.5 years, whether the school are run in the COVID for 3 months, 4 months, 6 months, etc. But suddenly, some students started this.
The protesting students in various schools of Udupi have refused to back down. They turned up again in their hijabs this week, even as the school shared the government notice on uniform.
इतने साल से वो ऐसा कुछ ऑर्डर नहीं था ना कि यूनिफॉर्म कंपलसरी वो का अचानक से 2 महीना रहने में यूनिफॉर्म कंपलसरी और हिजाब काटना तुम्हें वो को आया तो हमें क्या करने होते हैं हमारे कने क्या भी रास्ता नहीं हमने एजुकेशन भी होना और हिजाब भी इतने साल से हिजाब डालने को हमें एजुकेशन सीखने को होते
The fight over hijab resonated in Parliament, where Kerala MP called it a breach of constitutional right.
They see a Muslim girl in hijab, they will stop her from education. Where are they taking our India?
Karnataka campuses are simmering over the uniform versus religion debate. The Karnataka High Court is hearing students' plea against hijab ban on Tuesday. Bureau Report, India Today.
Nolan Pinto is joining us live from Bengaluru with the latest updates on this. Nolan, good morning. You know, what we witnessed yesterday is that in almost every single part of Karnataka, and particularly, unfortunately also, it's educational institutions where you see, in fact, this all-out communal showdown of saffron shawls versus hijabs. But the government now seems to be putting forth another angle to this, saying that they sense a conspiracy, that some sort of unseen forces are behind this entire demand now to allow hijabs in campuses.
Well, good morning, Akshita. In fact, this is what the government has been saying for a long time, that these girls are being pressured. In fact, there are various organizations who are behind this. In fact, even the Home Minister has asked the police to look into this, find out who triggered this, who are the ones who are acting behind and pushing these girls to actually state that they want to wear their hijab, considering the fact that India Today, your channel, has actually brought out that information showing how, for the past few years, now that college in Udupi has been there for a very, very long time. The students have been following the proper uniform. Now, it was only towards the end of December that 6 girls stated that it is an infringement of their fundamental right to practice religion if they don't allow them to wear hijabs. And that is the reason why they've actually now gone and taken this matter to the Karnataka High Court, which will be hearing this issue today. However, legal experts opine that yes, when you're talking about your fundamental right to practice your religion, that is in your home. But the Karnataka government is well within its rights to actually come out and state that you have to wear a uniform, because when you're talking about an educational institution, a school or a college, it is all about uniform and discipline. So it does not infringe upon your rights.
All right, Nolan, we'll be tracking what happens in the Karnataka High Court also very closely. So we'll keep coming across to you through the day. Thanks for the moment for joining us here on India Today.